Welcome to this guided tour on how to set up a ClickBubble video widget on your website. Now, the video widget is your main pop-up video that will appear on your home page, on a specific landing page, on all the pages of your website. Really, the choice is yours. It's our most popular widget that warmly welcomes visitors to your website with the power of a friendly and personal video from you, the business owner. The video widget warms up your cold website instantly. It leads the visitor to take a specific action before they leave. And that's what it's all about, right? Creating conversions, getting someone to take action. And the video widget does an incredible job at that. Let's show you how. Welcome to our video widget. Let's get started. First, you're going to click on New Widget. Then from the available choices, you're going to select Video Widget. Go ahead and give your widget a name and optional description. And then you're brought to the Video Widget Setup page. The first step is to add your video, and there are 4 different options for adding your video. You can record it directly in the app here. If you already have videos, you can add them from the video library. You can upload it, or you can get a magic link. Create link will be sent directly to your phone so that you can upload it from there. Now that your video is set up, it's time to add a connection channel to your widget. And here you can select one or more of the channel options here. For example, we're going to put in a text me and an email me. Now that you've added your channels, it's time to style your widget pop-up, and there are many design options to help you match the look and feel of the website the widget will be added to. Moving down, our second styling is the badge or bubble that will appear on the website. We've got several variations to choose from. You also have full control to match the look and feel of the website the widget will be added to. Once you've fully styled your pop-up and your badge, it's time to install the widget code on the website via the Share section. Simply copy the code and add it to the body of the whole site or to a single page. And that's all there is to it for the ClickBubble video widget.